learn how to create a unit matrix. So to create a unit matrix, I'll start it as, I'll give it a name, say A is the unit matrix name, and here I am trying to make 3 into 3 matrix, so 3 rows and 3 columns, 3 rows and 3 columns. So what I'll do here, I will draw a tabular form of the matrix, and it will be something like this, and then I'll connect it. Then after that one, I'll draw my first row, second row, and then it will be my first column, and it will be my second column. So in this one here, in arrays or in matrix, whenever we are working with the computers, it starts with 0, 1 and 2. It will be 0, 1 and 2. Now when I am saying unit matrix, that means I'll be having ones and zeros. So 1 is diagonally, and that is 1, 2, 3, and the other values will be 0. So I have to create this matrix. So 0, 0 and 0. So how to create this matrix? We need to make a program in Python, Java, C, C++, whichever you like. So R even, so whichever you like. So I will be going with Python first. So here I can go move to my my compiler, and then we can make this. So you understood that diagonally ones are to come and rest will be your zeros. So let us go, let us start it. So here I have got my compiler here, so I want to start it now. So how I'll start, I'll write hash unit matrix printing, unit matrix printing, unit matrix printing. I'll increase a little bit size of it, please, so that it will be a little nice. No, size is going up, so I'll keep it as it is. So now when I have done this, I can start it. So how I'll start, I'll write a for loop. So for I in range, I will be going in range from 1 to 3, range 1 to 3, and as because I have to move in rows and columns, so I will be putting here columns also, j in range, and again it is 1 to 3. So it is done. Now after this, I am to print diagonally I have to print. So when I and j are equal, then I am supposed to print 1, equal to 1. Then I'm supposed to print value of this value is to be 1, so I'll print 1. And in other case, if it's not matching, means if this is not equal, then you can print 1. Then you can print 0. Then you can print 0, and then your program is over. So simple program which is printing your unit matrix, and 1 will be diagonally, means where I and j are equal, and in another case, when I am picking up it is 1 and 0, and then another case when I am been rotated, j has been rotated 1 to 3 times, and then you are when I and j are equal, then 1 is being printed and otherwise 0 is being printed. So in this loop this will be done, but you will have to take care that this should be printed in the same line. So here if you want, you can use a AND tag as well. So AND can be with a tab sign, so that it will be coming in the continuous, in the same line. And similarly here also, it can also come in the same line. But as this will get over, this loop will get over, then you can go here and you can print, you can print to the next line, move to the next line. So just give a print command, it will move, it will take to you next line. So when you are doing that, that means it is it has completed the column, and now it is going out of this inner loop, means column part is over, then it is going to row again. So when you will run this and see what output you are going to get. Here else you need to put colon as well. So it is done, and run it. So you have printed this 1 2 3 I said, so you need to put it 1 2 3. Let us make it 4. 1 2 3, 1 extra. So here this has been printed, and at the top of it you can write little your statement that unit matrix printing, So again you will run and see what it is going to come. Unit matrix printing program is here, and the output is here, and this can be increased up to any level. So depending upon your requirement, if you are printing 3:3, 4:4, 6:6, with whatever you want. So for this, thank you very much for seeing, please.